Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk with Chris. Today we're in beautiful Phnom Penh, here along the Riverside by the night market. It is very beautiful. It's just getting to be sunset. The trees are beautiful. The park is beautiful. Everything seems to be very peaceful here in Phnom Penh. There seems to be a lot of foreign tourists that come in to Phnom Penh, and it has exceeded my expectations beyond measures. I hope that everybody is doing well and that you have a great day, evening, or morning, wherever it is, wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Here at Phnom Penh Night Market, enjoying my night out. Very relaxing. Many different shops you can buy from, buy clothes, buy food, listen to good music, meet a bunch of locals and foreigners alike. It's a great time to be in Phnom Penh. This is how they make sugar cane. Very friendly guy at the night market. Sugarcane is very popular in Asia, Southeast Asia, and it's very good. If you come over to Southeast Asia, you have to have the sugarcane. It is a must. This little stick, you put it through the grinder and it makes the soup. You put a lid, it's very good.